everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampACrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me again today for another live tutorial. Before we get started, just a reminder that our bonus days are going on during the month of July. So with every $50 you spend before tax and shipping, you earn a $5 coupon to use on your order in August. So that's like a 10% savings, so really good deal. Okay. So a couple weeks ago, I did a video on a fun pop-up card using the Reach for the Stars bundle. And I had mentioned that there were lots of things that you could do with the bundle besides the space card. So wanted to show you a few different things that you can do over the next few videos. Now today's video, we're using the designer paper in all the projects, but today we're going to use this bundle along with the Alphabest stamps. Are they dies? Are they stamps? They're stamps. Alphabest stamps. And then I needed a birthday sentiment, so I just pulled out the Level Complete, just because it has this nice font that's kind of futuristic, I guess, a little bit. So I just used the Happy Birthday stamp from this one, but you could use any stamp that you want. And then the designer paper, I was looking at this morning, and I love this paper. It's super colorful on one side, and I love how the patterns coordinate. So we have 3 that goes with this kind of yellow, orange, pink and purple set, and then we have these that go with the green, purple, and kind of pink color here. And then on the back, whoops, I'm getting all messed up here. On the back, we have all different realistic space patterns. So let's get on to our project today. So today we are using definitely the Reach for the Stars stamp set and bundle, and I'm just using a base of basic black. And then I have a piece of white for the inside. Then I have a layer of Granny Apple Green, and then one of the space patterns right here. We're gonna do, let me show you first. Okay, so I've punched out, or not punched, I've die cut a couple of planets out. And these are great because we don't have our layering circle dies anymore. So this comes with like 4 or 5 circle dies to die cut the planets, but you can use them on other projects as well. Now, one of the dies are these rings. So it comes with a large and a small, and I had die cut a whole bunch of these rings out of the holographic paper for the classes last month. And so I had a whole bunch of the insides left. And I'm thinking, I hate to throw this away because any specialty paper we have, like, it's gold to me. It's all like gold. So I thought, well, what can I do? And this kind of looked like a flying saucer. So I took one of these, and this is the next to smallest die. And then I die cut, I put this on one of the scraps, ran it through the Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, and then it die cut that half circle out, or the partial circle. So I took the partial circle, I'm done with that. And then I just layered it right on there to make a little spaceship, flying saucer. So I'm going to take just a teeny bit of liquid glue, right on, not too close to the edge. The one thing you don't want with liquid glue or any adhesive is for it to get on the front of your foil paper, because it makes a mess and it never comes off. It will always be a mess. So we want to make sure we don't get that oozing out anywhere. So I'm gonna let that dry for a minute, but isn't that cute? Looks just like a flying saucer. Okay, so we're gonna let that go, and I'm gonna do a little bit of stamping here. So I have this stamp set that says Greetings Friend, and you want to make sure it's really clean, and we're going to use the black Stampin' Write marker, and we're just going to color the greetings. We don't want friend. I just want to color in the greetings one. So when you're coloring, use the stamps with your marker, always use the edge. Never do this. And you just want to do it gently. Make sure it's well inked and don't get it on the other word. I have to look up close, so I hope you don't get my gray hair in the picture. Okay. So can you see that? I've just inked up the greetings part. Then you give it a huff to re-moisten that. And then I'm going to stamp it on this piece of basic white cardstock, kind of over to the left. That's a little bit low. I'm going to try this one more time. Okay, give it one more shot. Okay. I'm going to place it on here so I can see a little better where I'm stamping. Give it a huff. Okay, and do a little bit higher this time, hopefully. Okay, still a little low, but that's okay. All right, so we have greetings. Now on the inside, I want to use my alphabet to make the word human, because you always have greetings human. Now to get this centered, I'm going to center this on my grid paper. So if you notice down at the bottom we have a ruler. Up here it's a centering ruler. So we have 0 in the middle and then it goes out. So I'm just making sure that mine's centered on the grid, just like that. And then I want to spell out human, H-U-M-A-N. So M is the middle letter. So we're gonna start with that one. So I'm gonna bring this a little closer to me so I can see what I'm doing. Make sure it's still centered. And I've got my letters already here. So I'm hoping to get that in the middle, pretty close. So I can spell out A-N, human. All right, I don't have to worry about centering it so much now. Need to turn it in an angles to see what I'm doing. Hopefully they will be close enough to straight. I'm not too concerned. It's a little hard to see with these little blocks. All right, let's get it U over here. Try to space it about the same. Okay, greetings human, and then I'm gonna do this happy birthday right underneath. All right, now, since I'm using Granny Apple Green on the front, I want to just bring a teeny bit of color in. And I'm just gonna use those little stars, which I had put on a block. Hold on a second, find where I put that block. There we go. And I'm just going to just stamp a little bit right there. That's it, all we need. Okay, let's do a little assembly now. I'm gonna put our sentiment on the inside. Cute. Okay, let's get our space. I used the one that had these this fun blue pattern on the back, but oh wait, not yet. Gotta put it on the green. Almost forgot. That was close. Okay. Now you could use any backing color, but one of my planets is green, so I thought that would be just kind of a fun color to pop out. All right, I'm going to adhere one planet down, and then we'll pop up this little green planet. And I want it to overlap just a little bit. Okay, We can pop up our spaceship. Or I should say flying saucer, that's what it's more like. But you could use the different holographic papers. You could make several flying saucers in different colors and textures. Okay, so let's take this greetings. I want to flag it, I think. All right, and just for a little texture, I'm going to grab some of this Parakeet Party metallic ribbon that we have, and I'm going to just tear it apart at the ends. Just loosen it all up and just make some threads coming out. We're going to do the same on this end. This is a really loose weaved ribbon, so it's great to use and pull apart as little threads. Whoop, I went down too low. Okay, here we go. Okay. Now put them together. Put that coming out from behind my sentiment like this. All right, we could use seal adhesive or whatever. I'm just going to grab a piece of Scotch tape and stick this down. And then we can pop this up with a couple dimensionals. 2, 3. All right. I'm going to actually put this over just past the green, so it's kind of just going across. And for fun, we'll add a few of our glossy dots. I'm going to do the purple because they blend in a little bit. It'd be fun if we had green ones, but we don't. And that's it. Isn't that cute? Quick, simple, and fun. Just something kind of different. This is a good quirky one to give to someone who, you know, has a sense of humor, because it says greetings human. I thought that was fun. All right. Thanks everybody for stopping by. Please make sure to click subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. That's not very straight. And then check back on Saturday. I've got another cute, I've got to actually have a baby card for you. So you won't want to miss out on that. And we'll see you then. Thank you. Well, let's see, we've got some people watching. We've got Gail. Hi, Gail. Whoop. I'm just going to kind of look. Kathy. Hi, Kathy. I'm sure Kat will be on in a minute. Thanks, everybody, for watching, and I'll see you on Saturday. All right, bye-bye.